With Vigiles, you can import the custom scores you've assigned to CVEs from one product into another. To show you how to do this, we'll first start by quickly showing you how to add a custom score. For the purpose of this demo, we'll open our Product 1 product and then open the Vigiles CVE report for the manifest in the product. We'll assign a custom score of 4 for the first BusyBox CVE in the report, and then we'll save the custom score by clicking on the check mark next to it. For the second BusyBox CVE in the report, we'll assign a custom score of 3, and then we'll again save the custom score by clicking on the check mark next to it. Once we're finished adding our custom scores, we'll navigate back to the Vigiles dashboard and select our other product, which we've named Product 2. To import the custom scores from Product 1 into this product, we'll select Import Triage Data from the left navigation and then select from Product. Then from the drop-down, we'll select Custom Scores and we'll choose the product containing the scores we want to import. Here we can see the custom scores from Product 1 are available, so we'll select them and then click Import. When we open the Vigiles CVE report from the manifest in this product, we'll see the custom scores for the BusyBox CVEs are now included in it.